If you have been looking for an easy way to make consistent money from your trading platform, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video we will be looking at three things that you should look out for before you can start making money in trading. Okay, three things that you should look out for before you can start making money in trading. These three things are very vital, and I will tell you how to identify them and how to know um how to go about it, so that you can put them into use and start milking the market successfully. But first, if you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to explain to you how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex market. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, I share different ideas, different tips, different strategies which you can use to trade or to milk the forex market successfully. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very important. Practice and perfect your skill using your demo account, not your real account. Then after that, you can now go into your real account and put them into practice there. Okay, so that is how it works. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my custom made indicators, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will also drop them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly before going into what we have for today, let's quickly check out what we have in the market, so that we know what we should look out for today. Actually, yesterday's analysis actually helped a couple of people, because I got so many messages that they were able to follow the trend and the instruction given to them during the analysis, and they were able to milk the market successfully. So we're going to do the same thing today, so that you guys can have a better experience in your in your trading journey today. Okay, so let's check out what is happening. The first thing I'll be using all my indicators for my analysis, so that you will understand what to look out for depending on the indicator you are having. Okay, so at the moment I'm starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator. Okay, this is the signal indicator. It comes with the circled 5 in yellow color, and the one in blue color. Blue color stands for buy, while yellow color stands for sell. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to the line. You can see the tiny line running across the candles. We have it turning from yellow to blue, so it actually depends on the color. If it is in blue color, it shows that the market is in uptrend at that particular time. If it is in yellow color, the market is in downtrend at that particular time. So as you can see, it is at the moment the market is more of uptrend than downtrend, so it is more favorable for those that are buying, and not that favorable for those that are selling. So if you are the type that loves selling, then you should stay away from the market for now. Later on in the day, the market can be in your favor. That is when this line will change from blue to yellow. Okay, so that is what you need to take note from this asset. Okay, the next asset we will be looking at is crash 1000, and that is then we'll be using the crusher indicator to do our analysis here. Okay, for this, as you can see, it's being on, it's more of uptrend than downtrend. You can see the green region area here. You can see the sell, I mean the buy arrow here. From this support level, the buy arrow came out, but you don't jump in immediately. You see the buy arrow, you wait for it to be, more especially if it is just coming from a very long uptrend, I mean downtrend, then you wait for it to be confirmed with this indicator in the indicator window. Okay, so in the second indicator window, all you just need to do is just to wait for it to come to the green region. It has come to the green region, then you can see it's actually bought for a very long time. That is 70-minute candles, and the exit arrow came out here. It crashed a bit, still went up again because it is still around the green region. Okay, check out here based on the current time frame now, where we had a few crashes here after getting to this resistance level, but got another buy signal here, and also it was confirmed here, and it's been going up till now. This is 12-minute candles, and the exit arrow is out already, so you should exit the market right now before it crashes. The exit arrow, when it comes out early in order for you to exit the market before the crash will happen. Okay, so you don't expect it to come out while the crash happens. Okay, so let's check out boom 500. I will have to do a quick setup on this. Let me see which indicator should I use. Okay, let me check this out first. Okay, for boom 500, I'm going to use the signal indicator on this. Okay, so let me use the signal indicator on this. So for boom 500, it is also on uptrend at the moment. As you can see, it's been on uptrend right from here, right from this support region. Okay, and it's been going up. So if you are the type that loves selling, stay away from the market for now until this blue line changes from blue to yellow and this support level is broken. Then you should expect it to come down to this level, okay. So stay away from the market right now because the market is more favorable for those that are buying. Okay, so let's check out crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the NT indicator for this is 15-minute time frame. It's been coming down. It has been going down. It's actually went down throughout yesterday, so it's still, I mean, it came down to this level, to this support level, pull up a bit around there, consolidated around there a bit, and finally broke out, and right now it is in uptrend. So for at the moment, crash 500 is on uptrend. So if you are the type that loves selling and you have enjoyed selling crash right from here till this moment, I think this is the time for those that love buying. So stay away from the market if you are not ready to buy. Okay, so this is very important. I will be stopping here with the analysis, then we'll be moving on to what we have for today's video. Okay, so remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now? And also, if you have any question about this video or any of my videos, feel free to contact me. So let's go into what we have for today, which is telling you about 3 things that you should look out for before you can make money in trading. Okay, if you truly want to make money in trading, you need to be patient enough to go through some trainings, practice and perfect your skills before you can make your money in trading. And you must have a realistic daily target, a plan that can help you to achieve this realistic daily target. So what are the 3 things for you to look out for? If you have really gone through your training, if you truly know your technical analysis very well, or you have a very good indicator that can help you to analyze very well, then you should be able to identify these 3 things easily. The first thing is knowing the trend of the market. If you cannot know the general trend of the market, then you should be able to identify the present trend of that particular market so that you can trade within that time frame and make some money for yourself. That is very, very important. Do you know that you don't need the whole day to make your money on forex market? Okay, you can make your money within 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, and that will be all for the day. Okay, but most of you want to make money throughout the day. That is why you lose your money. Some people will make so much money in the morning and later on lose everything in the evening. The reason for this is not that the strategy they are using is no longer working, but they overstayed in the market. Okay, they refused to run away from the market when the market was no longer juicy. Okay, so your trend is very, very important. If you are able to identify the exact trend of the market, that is the only time you should go into the market. Okay, that is the only time you should go in the market into the market, because the trend of the market is favorable for you to trade at that particular time. Okay, once you are able to identify or solve the issue about the trend of the market, then the next thing you should know is knowing the exact entry point for you to come into the market. Okay, when you know the exact entry point for you to come into the market, then you will be able to trade for a very long time, or within the period that the trend is favorable for you. Then the third thing you should look out for is to know when to run away from the market, when to exit your trade. Okay, that is very, very important. If you don't know when to exit your trade, then you will be having lots and lots of problems. So let's move on to the trading platform to see what we can do there, to see when to come into a trade and when to exit the trade. I'll be using the NT indicator quickly, then I'll also use the QDC scraper indicator. For instance, this is crash 500. You can see that it was coming down with a particular trend before, but right now it has changed the direction of the trend. You can see the dark blue color. This is a support level. This area is a support region. It's finds it difficult to break it several times. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see it got there here, went back up, got there here again, went back up, got there here. It tested this particular support level for a very long time before before breaking out from there finally around here. Okay, it broke out from here and came down to this level, got to another support level, pulled back up, and this time around broke the support on to resistance level, broke it out upward, and it's been selling since. It's been buying since then. So right now the trend of the market changed from yellow, which is a selling symbol, to blue, which is a buying symbol. Okay, so which means the market is on uptrend at the moment. So what you should do is to buy at this moment and not to sell. Okay, to buy at this moment and not to sell. So the next thing for you to look out for is to know your entry point and your exit point. Of course, around here we have our entry point popping out, so you can set up your exit point to the next resistance level. This is 15-minute time frame. If you had come in here and be in the market till this level, this is the next very close to the next resistance level. I don't think it is that bad. That is 4 bars, which is about 60-minute candles, which is amazing. So this might be a little bit complicated if you don't know how to use it, but let's check out something a little bit different. So we are using the QDC scraper indicator this time around. This is an amazing indicator. It is very simple to use, easy to use. It helps you to know the direction of the market. It helps you to know when to come in and when to exit the market. It also helps you to scalp trade and also to swing trade, whichever one you actually want to go for. Okay, you can look into any of these. Okay, this is crash 1000 and this is 1 minute time frame. Okay, one good thing about this is even if you want to trade for a very long time, you don't need to go to higher time frame before you can achieve this here. Okay, so you can always do that even in 1 minute. And if you want to scalp trade, you don't need to look at the trend in 1 hour to confirm the trend in 1 hour time frame before you can do that here. Okay, you can do everything even on your 1 minute time frame. Okay, okay. I'm going to share this with you. This arrow, the first thing, like I said, the first thing you should look out for is to identify the trend of the market. Okay, the indicator settings here, the full indicator settings here, comes up with so many things, including the trend indicators. Okay, you can see the 4 MA candles here also telling us the trend of the market. You can see once it is brown like this, it is telling us that it is selling around there, but once it is green like this, it is selling, it is buying around there. But that is not even the only thing you can look out for. Check out here, you can see this indicator in the third indicator window. It is an amazing trend scraper indicator. Okay, so this is what you're going to notice for you to know if the market is in your favor or not. Okay, you can see the uptrend arrow popping out here. Actually, this usually change. This should come out somewhere here, but due to the fact that a new trend is coming up around here, so it is closing, it is deleting some bars because it won't show more than what it is showing. So each time it is creating a new bar in front, it will be deleting from the back here. So that is why you can't find it somewhere here again, but it actually came out somewhere here. And once you know, once you see this arrow coming out on this yellow bar, then you should be getting ready to trade. Okay, that is, if you want to buy crash, you should be getting ready to trade. I'm not saying you should jump into the trade. No, you should be getting ready to trade. Then wait for this bar to appear. At least get about two to three of the bars showing. Once it has appeared, then you should know that it is time for you to trade. And the next thing you should look out for is your entry point, your arrows. Wait for your arrows to come out. Each time you have your arrows come out, that is your buy trend arrow, this is a buy signal arrow. Once it comes out and this side is still green, then you are good to go. You are good to go. So that is knowing the exact time to come into the trade. So if I'm to come into the trade, this is when I will come into the trade, because at this stage I am sure that the market is still green. The market is, the trend of the market is supporting the signal. The trend of the market is on uptrend, and I am also getting an uptrend signal from the main chart. Okay, which is telling me to come into the trade around there. So which means even if I should come in here, then I am secured. My order is secure, so I can be there for a very long time. Okay, or I can also scalp trade and pick up like 3 minute candles, 5 minute candles several times and close my trade. That way I can easily achieve my daily target. Okay, so that is the way it works. And do you know one good thing about this? Even if you are caught up in a spike, and this side is still green, then you don't need to close your trade once you use a reasonable lot size that is good enough for your trading capital. You don't need to close your trade because it will definitely take you back to profit, because this area is still green. The market is still in support of your signal. Okay, then how do you exit the trade? There are two ways you should, I'm going to tell you, to show you three ways, depending on either you are trading for long or you are trading for a short period of time. Okay, it depends on you. For instance, if you are trading to eat up your target, once you have gotten to your targets, you can always close your trade. But I'm going to share this with you quickly. Okay, that is when the second indicator will come into the scene. Okay, so let's check it out. You can see when you got your buy signal here, it came from this zero level region. Okay, which means from zero level upward, it means that you can sell, you can buy around there. So after buying around there, each time it is going down to that zero level, you can always exit the market. You can see it tried to get there, yeah, went back up, tried to go down, went back up, but this time around went down and was trying to get to the zero level. So I expect you to exit the market already before getting to the zero level and keep the profit that you have made for yourself, that you have made for yourself. Okay, so that is one way. Another way to go about it is, once you are on this trend region and you got a buy signal there, in most cases about 90 more than 90% assurance that um the exit arrow will come out before there is a major crash. The exit arrow will come out before there is a major crash. So if you put all these three things into practice, number one, exiting the market once this is going back to zero level, then you will stay away from the market at that particular time when the drop down candle will appear. Okay, even if you can't see the exit arrow, but if you should look very well, if you obey the trend of the market before placing your order, you should see the exit arrow popping out before a major crash. Of course, it didn't pop out here because this is not a major crash. You can see it didn't get to zero level before the crash occur. Okay, so if you should check here, it got to zero level, and that is why the crash occur. If you should check here too, it got to zero level, that is why the crash occur. So that is one thing you need, that is another thing you need to look out for. Then finally, for those that are having large trading capital with a very good and reasonable lot size and that wants to swing trade, then you can do this. After coming, check out here, check out here. Okay, this is where the trend, this is where we got confirmation about the trend. You can see here. So let's say you decide to come in here on this candle. Let me try to get the candle there, that candle. Okay, let's say you decide to come in on this candle, and um of course it didn't start, the trend didn't start from there, but let's say it started from there. Okay, check out, check out. You can see that we can't even see the horizontal line again. It has really gone down, 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 which means the market has really gone up. Okay, so this is for those that are having large trading capital and for those that are using reasonable lot size, because you will be able to hold your trade for a very long time. All you just need to do is just to enter around there where the trend is coming, confirming the uptrend. Of course, the market will go up and down. It might not be as smooth as this, but you will definitely land in profit if you follow this simple trick. This is where you should exit the market. Okay, once you see this drop down arrow appearing on this trend indicator, then you should exit the market immediately because it will be crashing around there. So you can see how much profit you can make with that. So these are the three things you should look out for before you go into the trade, and you can actually do that even without all these custom made indicator if you are very good with your technical analysis and you have the time to analyze the market. Okay, but if you are not good with your technical analysis and you don't have the time, or probably you are still learning, but while you are learning you want to make some money for yourself, you can put this trading tools into use. If you're having them, set them up on your system. Start with your demo account, watch this video over and over again to understand the way it works, practice everything I have explained in this video and put them into good use for yourself on your real account. You can start gradually. It's not compulsory. I know it is always juicy for you to have an opportunity like this to trade for a very long time, but if you have not gotten to that level, you don't need to force yourself to start on this level. You can start gradually. Start by scalp trading. Pick up 2-minute candles if that is what you are confident to do. Pick up 3-minute candles if that is what you are, that is your level of confidence. Then you can promote from there. You can go from there to 5-minute candles, picking up 10-minute candles, 15-minute candles, but then later on you can now have the confidence, the boldness to leave your trade for hours, for 30 minutes, for hours, and close it in good profit for yourself. This is how it works, guys. take your time to watch this video over and over again. Practice and perfect your skill first. Send your questions to me on WhatsApp, and I will try as much as possible to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.